In this video, I will show you how to subscribe to Twitch with Amazon Prime. First, open a web browser and go to twitchprime.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Amazon Prime account by clicking the Sign In button. After you're logged in, return to the home page and click on your username at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Twitch Accounts, then click Connect a Twitch account. You'll be prompted to log into your Twitch account either by signing in or creating a new one. Once logged in, you'll see a confirmation screen showing which Amazon and Twitch accounts are being linked. Make sure they're correct, then click Confirm. You'll be taken back to the Manage Twitch Accounts page. From here, click on Prime Gaming to access your benefits and begin claiming your free Twitch Prime perks. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.